It's not easy to design a professional logo all by yourself. You need a professional logo designer to design a logo for your brand or company. But today, we are going to learn how to create a professional and personalized logo using Canva. Canva is a wonderful graphic design tool to create a professional logo even if you don't have any experience. In this video, I'll teach you how to create a professionally designed logo step by step. Let's get started. Let's go to Canva home screen and search for the term logo. And you will see several hundred template options for you to use. In order to find a more customized and tailored option, you're going to add a more specific search query to get a more relevant search result. So I'm going to add a more specific search term, for example, fashion logo. Here we have several hundred template options to choose from in Canva. You will also notice that some of these templates have a crown on the bottom right-hand corner, which means that it's only accessible for Canva Pro subscribers. You can still create a logo for free without a Pro subscription, and you can also download your logo when you are finished using a transparent background. Once you decide which template you want, you can click on it and select Customize this template option here. Today, I'm going to use this template. So if you have finalized a template for yourself, go ahead and click on Customize this template. Everything in the template can be customized and edited as per your requirements and preferences. Let's get started by customizing the text. You can hover over the text and double-click on it. Today, I'm creating a fashion logo as an example, so I'll use the term top fashion. You can edit any text in your template by double-clicking on it and then update the text. If you want to change the font of the logo being used, you can double-click on it and highlight the text and go up here at the top of your screen and you will find different font options for you to use. Remember that anyone who has access to Canva also has access to this template, so customize and personalize it as much as possible. One of the best ways to do that is by adjusting the color, the font, and size. My favorite way is to come here on the left-hand side and see different color options. Here there are pre-selected color palettes that you can choose from. If you want to go ahead and select any one of these color palettes, you can still make edits to it. For example, if you decide you don't like the background color, but you like the other colors, you can come up here to the top of the screen and change the background color. Let's explore some other ways to customize and personalize your logo. On the left-hand side, click on Elements. You can add lines, shapes, graphics, stickers, anything you want to your logo design. Click on any design element you want on your logo template. From here, you can drag the shape anywhere in the template, adjust the size, and place it where you want on your logo. If you want to edit the colors, come up here to the top of your screen and change the color as per your requirement. If you want to add any additional text to your logo, you can go on the left-hand side and click on Text to add any additional text fields. If you click on something and then you decide you don't want to use it, it's easy to click on it again and press the delete icon. Once you're happy with the way your logo looks, come up here at the top of the screen and click on File, and then Save. For your information, Canva also saves all of your work automatically. You can now go ahead on the top right-hand corner and click on Share, and then Download. There are various types of files that you can download your image in. In this example, I'll download the suggested file type. You can also adjust the size, the file type, and download the image using a transparent background. If you want a more smaller size of your logo so you can upload it elsewhere, click on the compress file option here. Once you are done with your selection, go ahead and click on download. Once you have downloaded this logo to your computer, now you can use it in your application, upload it anywhere else you want. I hope this was easy for you to design the logo yourself. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe.